event today in KL.
WIP on the park.
Yeah, she's the main host here. Thank you for giving me to be the plus one.
Thank you for coming all the way from Japan.
Sepang.
Seremban.
So we're just gonna have our coffee now, guys, and I'll see you tomorrow at the body shop event. You're famous by?
Bye! What are you waiting for? It's nice. Nice.
Hey guys, I am finally home and it was such a long ride home. Although I left at about 5-ish, but I reached home here at about 7 because the traffic was building up, and it's just what it is, you guys. So a brief overview of today's event was that Beauty Insider Malaysia was collaborating together with WIP on the Park restaurant. Whatever food, like their signature dish that WIP serves, most of the content creators go and create like a very beautiful makeup on them. So let's just say, for example, the drinks that's being served is a blue color lemon drink or anything like that. So they would incorporate blue with some kind of like really creative design. So that's what they were, just playing creativity with beauty on the side. It was a very beautiful dine-in, and I was pretty surprised that the food was quite reasonable, in the sense that the pricing for the food was just reasonable. It was all paid off, but you know, I was just thinking that, you know, I want to bring along my family to visit this place. So it was a very nice place, WIP on the Park. It was right in the middle of the city, and it was just a walking distance to KLCC. So I think it is a must visit place when you guys go to KL. Tomorrow we are going to go for the body shop event, so I'm gonna see you guys tomorrow morning. Hey guys, it is officially Saturday afternoon. It is such a bright sunny afternoon today, and I just finished my house chores and I'm really tired, but at the same time I have to take my shower. So before I do that, I just wanted to, like, you know, talk to you guys for a bit, just run you through about my week, because I know that I started off the vlog just like that. So earlier this week I had back-to-back events. The ones on Friday was totally unexpected. Ash Edwards. She's also a content creator. She invited me over for her event, and I went in as a +1, which I think was a pretty good one because I got to network with the brand itself, and it was such a free and easy kind of vibe that the entire brand put off, which I really like. So yesterday with the Body Shop, it was their very first official launch of the sustainable outlet in Malaysia, and this is located at the ground floor in Sunway Pyramid, and it is a very beautiful store, I have to say. I love the way how they stacked up the entire body lotion, like all body butter, I think, yeah, the body butter all the way up. It's so prettily done, and the entire outlet is actually made with recycled aluminium and recycled stuff in general. So I know that in some countries they've already printed out this let me show you guys. They came up with this concept of refill bottles where we can just go in generally if you want to have like a your body lotion, body butter, no, I don't think body butter body lotion, conditioner, shampoo. Like I chose the ginger shampoo yesterday, so they gave me as like a free thank you for coming gift. So I received this, and then avocado body butter, and a recycled soap tray, which was very nice. I will show you guys later in this vlog. So yeah, you guys, that is the only two things that has happened to me throughout the week, but I felt like it was a long one. Off camera, I was writing out Plant Origins blog post that I had an ongoing collaboration with them regarding the Raya campaign, and I was just, you know, editing some content work for them and doing all the things that I should be doing, and that is out. So throughout the week, last week, I was really busy doing content work because I put it on hold for a really long time ever since my final exam was announced. So now that I'm like really free, I decided to, like, you know, focus on my content work, which I am doing it. So I will be showing you guys all of the gift that I received, both from Beauty Insider Malaysia and the Body Shop Malaysia. It is so sweet of them to give me a gift. Like Beauty Insider was so amazing that they gave me like a last minute gift. I'm so grateful for that. Although I went just to meet Ash, just to talk with her, because we've always planned on meeting each other up, but it just doesn't happen. So since I was free and she told me on the 11th hour, and I was like, you know what, I'm pretty much free, so let's just go for this event. So yeah, the rest of the day now I have to create content, and I have a couple of stuff that I have to be unboxing for YouTube and also Instagram, and so that's the whole motive for the day. I will be sure to like show you guys what's happening inside of my day, and the vlog will end thereafter. So thank you guys for watching my vlog.